I'm sorry, 5K. So what happened was it said that all of my storage was full. So it was not working. So my loves, we just got done saying that the rectangle was last. My sweets, what you're going to do now is you are going to take out your packet now that we are back up and running. I had to delete some of the old videos that I had made from the first week of school. You're going to open up your packet to Friday. And we're going to work on 11A. So I want you to get out this and your pencil and your crayons. Okay, pencil and crayons. I'm going to take down first, second, third, and last. And I'm going to erase first, second, and third. You have out your pencil, your crayons, and your packet with 11A. I'm sorry about that video not working right. Sometimes things like that happen. Then you just got to be flexible and go with the flow. All right, the first thing we always do when we have our paper is we are going to write our names at the top. All right, my loves, take out your pencil. You're going to write your name very neatly at the top. And then you're going to park it. My sweets, we have something new that we're going to do every day in school. We are going to write a new number every day. So my loves, when you look at this number, a 1 and a 0 together, what number does that make? A 1 and a 0 makes the number 10. 8, 9, 10. So my sweets, what you're going to do is you're going to trace these two 10s and then stop. Trace them and then stop. Go. Now you should be noticing that only the number 1 goes with the chocolate chip. Park your pencil. Okay, look at the number 1 was the only number that had a chocolate chip, and then the 0 came right after. 1 with the chocolate chip, 0 came right after it. Then it says write the number 10 2 more times. So my loves, you're going to take your pencil, please watch me. Don't do it yet. Your number 1 goes here on this chocolate chip, and then your 0 goes right after it. Don't do it yet. Look, this is for your next number 10. That's not for your 0. Your 1 goes with the chocolate chip and then your 0. Ready? Go. When you're done doing this, park your pencil. Awesome. Now I need to do it one more time, right? So you're going to take your pencil on the chocolate chip. You're going to write a 1. And then your 0 is going to go right after it. Now we are going to talk about 10s and 1s. So what I want you to do is I want you to take your pencil. Watch me, please. Watch first. Actually, put your pencil down. Put your hands on your head. I want you to watch me. I'm going to take my pencil. I'm going to make a line right in between my 1 and my 0. Do you see how I did that? I made a line right in between my 1 and my 0. I want you to do that. Go. And then park your pencil. I've been telling you in math meeting that we will be talking about 10s and 1s place on our math homework. Didn't I tell you that? So my loves, just like what we've been practicing in math meeting, we are going to do now. So when you look at just this number 10, you don't need to make a line in between these ones. We're only doing this one. Which number's in the 10s place? Who has 1 full 10? What number means 1 full 10? The 1 is in the 10s place. That means we have 1 full tower of 10, just like we talk about it every day at math meeting. So right here, on top of the number 1, you are going to make a T for 10s. That's the 10s place. 1, 10. The 1 is in the 10s place. Park your pencil. Who is in the 1s place? How many little extras do we have down here? Like when we talk about our math meeting and we color in the squares, how many little extra 1s are there? Who's in the 1s place? The 0. The number 1 starts like it should start, sounds like it should start with a W, but it doesn't. It starts with an O. So on top of the 0, you're going to make an O for 1s, 10s, and 1s. I know this is confusing, but as we do it at math meeting and we keep doing it every day on our math paper, you'll get it and understand. Okay, my loves? The 1 is in the 10s place. The 0 is in the ones place. That means we have one full tower of 10 and no extras. All right, my loves, you need to take out these 4 colors. Listen very carefully. Your pencil's parked. You need to take out your blue, yellow, red, and green. I'll do it again. Blue, yellow, red, and green. Do that. Take out your blue, yellow, red, and green. These are the colors you need. Blue, yellow, red, and green. Take out these 4 and then park them on the table. All right, you have out those 4, park them on the table. It says color the first shape blue. Freeze. Don't pick up your blue yet. Who's first? Point to the shape that is first in line. We always start on the left. So if here's the left, that's why we talk about our left hand and our right hand. Who's first? Triangle. It says color the first shape blue. So take your blue, color this shape blue. This is the kind of thing you'd be doing on a math test. I would just say color the first shape blue. You'd have to grab your blue. You would have to know this one is first and color it all by yourself. Nobody would be able to help you. So that I can see and I could tell Daddy and Mommy when they come to parent-teacher conference, yep, your child understands first, second, third, fourth, last. All right, when you're done, park your blue. And you're ready for the next direction. Take your time. I stayed in the lines. You can too. It says, your next direction says color the last shape yellow. If this one was first, who is last? Who's last? The very end, right? This shape. This is called a hexagon. Say hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last shape is yellow. So take your yellow. The last shape is yellow. Position in line, ordinal position. That's what this is called. This is tricky for lots of us. That's why we practice it, right? Over and over so we get better at it. All right. Park your yellow when you're done. I'm giving you time to stay in the line. Your next direction says color the third shape red. Ooh, we need to find third. You have your crayons parked, your pencil parked, so you can touch and count. We need to find third. Ready, set, go. First, second, third. This third shape is red, so take your red. The third shape is the circle, right? Color the circle red. All right, park your red. Then it says color the second shape green. Well, we shouldn't just color this one green because if you're doing this on a test, maybe you made a mistake. So it's always smart to double check because you might realize, uh-oh, I colored this one red accidentally. And then you'd have to erase it and then recolor it the right color, okay? So we always double check to make sure that we did it, we follow the directions correctly. Color the second shape green. Count with me. We start with first. Ready? Go. First, second. Second is green. Take your green. Color this second shape, the square, right? All the sides are the same. 4 sides, 4 angles. Color that shape green. All right. All right, my loves, this shape should be green. All right, you can put your colors back. We always clean up our workspace. Now we're going to do question number 3. It says, point to the tower on the left. Here are your 2 towers. Which one's on the left? This is my left hand. This is my right. So which one's on the left? This tower. Then it says, how many squares are shaded? Remember, shading is where the computer does the coloring. So let's count. We start at the bottom. How many squares are shaded? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to write a 5 in the circle. Take your pencil, write a 5 down and around and give it a hat. Park your pencil. Then it says, point to the tower on the right. This is my left hand. This is my right. Point to the tower on the right. It says, color more squares. Begin at the bottom. Write the number of squares you colored on the line below. All right, we need a number more than 5. More means our tower will be taller, right? So when we color, it needs to be taller than 5. So what number is taller than 5? 6, 7, 8, 9. How about let's do 7? So take your pencil. You're going to write a 7. Slide to the right and then slant down. More. 7 means it needs to be a bigger number. It needs to be more. Let's take out our purple. Take out your purple. Any purple is fine. Take out your purple. We're going to mark off 7. Mark off 7 with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are we coloring all of them? No, not coloring that one at the top. Now color in those 7. Only color the ones you put a mark in. That's why we do that. So that we don't color more or less. We already have the right number marked off. You're doing a good job. I'm proud of you. Keep it up. It's okay for you to look at mine and see how I'm coloring. That's okay. All right, I am almost done. I hope you are. And if not, that's okay. That means you're taking your time. And so I really appreciate that. I don't want you to rush. Okay. When you're done, I want you to put your purple away. We're not done yet. So I have work to do at the bottom. You need your pencil. You see 3 lines. If you need more time to color, just pause the video. You can finish coloring, okay? It says write a T on the last line. Which one of these lines is last? So we always start on the left. First, second, third. This is the last line. Write a T. A T is down and across. Park your pencil. Then it says write a B on the first line. Which one is first? First. Right here, we're going to write a B. If you don't know, here's how you make a B. Straight line. Then you trace up and around. Park your pencil. And then it says write an A on the second line. Touch and count. We got to find second. Ready? Go. First, second. We're going to write an A there. Now, this makes a word. Do you know what sound B says? B says b, b, b. A says a. T says t, t. So when we put those together, it says a word. Watch. B, at. B, at. B, at. Bat. Bat. Like a baseball bat that you play baseball with, or maybe the animal, the flying bat. Awesome, my loves. All right, what I would like you to do is ask daddy, mommy, your parent, your granny, whoever is sitting next to you, to take a picture of this and upload it into the blue math folder. This is it for today. You did a wonderful job. Again, I'm sorry that I have 2 videos today because my Google Drive was full from all the other videos I'd made from previous weeks. So I had to go into my trash and delete all those. Now I have room. So I'm sorry about that. All right, my loves, upload this and then you are all set. Have a great weekend, and you're going to bring your packet with you when you come on Monday, okay? Bye.